Guys, welcome back to the next video on basic command in Linux series. So today I'm going to talk about the grep command, and the grep command is used as a method for filtering input from text files, and grep stands for global regular expression printer. In this video we will learn a number of examples that will help to understand the grep command. So to use a grep command, we write grep, then the string or the text you want to search, and then the name of the text file you want to search in. As you can see, I don't have any output because my names.txt file doesn't have anything like xyz. And suppose if you want to search for any text that your file contains, so it's gonna return me the complete line that has your search key. In my case, John Williams. So I have John Williams, two lines which have John Williams and John Williamson. So as you can see, I got John Williams and John Williamson. So this is the exact match, and this has something extra. So if you, in any case, if you just want to search for John Williams, exact John Williams, not something extra you want to print, want to get output as, you can use W flag, which means the whole word. Just take this whole word. You can see that in my in now that you can only get John William, not the John Williamson. And as you can see, the John William, both J and W starts with uppercase, but my names.txt also have a lowercase j and w Williams. So the result, the grep command, is case sensitive. To make it case insensitive, I'm going to use a I flag. Now you can see that I got uppercase J John Williams, lowercase j John Williams. And in any case, you want to print the line number which contain your search key or your search word, so you're gonna use a N flag. As you can see, the lowercase John Williams is on 51st line and the uppercase John Williams is on the 431st line. And in this case, in some case, if you want to print 2 or 3 line before or 2 or 3 line after the match line, you can use a key flag that is B, capital B for before, and you can use specify the number of line you want to print. As you can see, the I got a lowercase John Williams, and it printed 3 line before the match line, and in this case we got a John William here and the 3 line before the matched line. And in any case, if you want to print after the line after the match line, you can use A and then specify the number of lines. And in previous cases, B or using B or A, you can either print line before the matched line or after the match line. But there is another flag, that is uppercase C. You can use uppercase C to print both before and after the matched line. As you can see, I got 3 lines before the match line, 3 lines after the match line. So that's how you can search your text in a single file. Suppose you want to search your text in a multiple file. Suppose I'm going to search for everything in my present working directory. As you can know, the dot specifies the present working directory that contains John Williams. But the thing is, grep command doesn't work with the directory. So to do that, I'm going to first enter forward slash, that means enter the directory, and then star, that means search all the files that are in my present working directory. As you can see, sorry, I forgot to remove these. See, so as you can see that I still got just a directory, because in my present working directory there's still a directory that is my just a directory, and I got a match on memo.txt, I got a match on names.txt. So to remove this error or warning, I can specify to search only on txt files. So now I don't have any warnings or error. But the thing is that I'm not searching in my just a directory. I'm just searching all the files that are present in my present working directory, but I'm neglecting the directories. I'm searching only in the files, but I'm rejecting the directory. So to do that, suppose you want to search for all the files, all the directories and their subdirectories without getting error or doing extra work, you can use a flag that is R. That means recursively. It will search recursively in directories, their subdirectories, to to get this text John Williams. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to put a symbol that means present working directory. It will search everything. So you can see that of course names.txt have true matching, and there's a file, just a file in just a directory which we ignored previously. There are matching John Williams and John Williams lowercase uppercase, and then in my present working directory the text txt file John Williams is matched on that file too. So I'm going to clear my screen. So now as you can see that I'm getting the whole complete line which contains my search key, but I don't want to get whole the complete line. I just want to get only get the names of the file that contains John Williams. So I'm going to use a flag that is lowercase l. As you can see, instead of printing the complete match line, it just print the file which contains John Williams. So name.txt, and then just a file that is in my just directory contains John Williams, and then memo.txt contains John Williams. So, and suppose if you want to print the number of times John William occurred in that text file, you can use, instead of L, we can use a lowercase c. It will count. So name.txt has two times John Williams. Just a file in just a directory has one John Williams, and memo.txt still only have one John Williams. So that how you can use with the text file, but we can use grep command with other commands. So like history, as I can see that I have approx 1675 command to search from. I cannot just basically go scroll up and then search for that command. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just write history, and then I will grep everything that contains find in it. So still I got a lots of command that started with or that contain find. So to search for a particular flag that I used with find, it is exe, it's very hard. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna again write a grep command, and then grep command I'm gonna write exe. So what will this will print? This will print all those find command that have used exe or contains exe in it. You can see that this now this will only print all the files that have exe flag in it. And suppose if you want to write the regular expression to search for certain patterns, like a grep, and then I don't know what these three characters are, and then a hyphen, then again three unknown characters, then a hyphen, then again a 4 unknown characters. So it contains 3 unknown characters, then a hyphen, then again a 3 unknown character, then a hyphen, and then a 4 unknown characters, and then the name of the file that you want to search in. Of course, this is a USA phone number. So you can see that I got a this much of output, 3 characters, then a hyphen, then 3 character, then a hyphen, then a 4 character. As you can see it here, 3 character hyphen, 3 character hyphen, 4 unknown characters. And suppose if you want to write a regular expression like you did in your Python codes, you're gonna use a capital P flag for that. So backslash D, and then there's a three digit, then a hyphen, backslash D, then there's a 3-digit backslash, and then there is a 4-digit. So what you're gonna do, it will search for 3-digit, then a hyphen, then again 3-digit, then a hyphen, then again 4-digit, and I'm going to mention the name of the txt. Oh sorry, I forgot to put hyphen here. As you can see, I still got 3-digit, hyphen, 2-digit, hyphen, and 4-digit. So that's all about grep command. If you want to explore more about the using regular expression with the grep command, you can first learn the regular expression, that is important too. So that's all about today. Bye bye, see you later.